If you are a big fan of juicy rotisserie chicken, you should not skip reviews about the best air fryers with rotisserie function. You can easily spot rotisserie dishes at the supermarket, but homemade ones are much better. It is even healthier when you use the air fryers to make it.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best air fryer with rotisserie. So let's get started. Number 5. NUWAVE Brio 15.5 quart air fryer. NUWAVE Brio 15.5 quart is the ideal product for many cooking levels, letting you make many different meals simultaneously with no hassle. And by the strong heated airflow, your foods can be cooked thoroughly to ensure a nice crunchy exterior and juicy interior. This product can also be a perfect indoor grill. Moreover, the integrated temperature probe will help you reach the precise cooking temperature for a wide variety of foods like fish, meat, or poultry. Another feature that makes you love this device more is its ease of cleaning. All detachable parts are non-stick and dishwasher proof, so cleaning them is extremely quick. Number 4. Kalorik MaxFO 46045 SS 26 quart air fryer. Another decent air fryer toaster oven combo that you will be shocked with, as it has 21 built-in presets to maximize your possibilities in cooking. So if you are about to impress someone, you might need this Kalorik MaxFO 46045 SS. With a touch on the button, it will show you how great it is to create delicious and healthy dishes. And as they have a tremendous capacity at 26 quarts, it is truly a device for parties or family gatherings, particularly when you want to make a rotisserie to serve them. On the other hand, the powerful Turbo Max technology will shorten the processing time, and you can save more than 77% electricity energy when using it instead of regular ovens. Number 3. GoWISE USA GW44800-O Deluxe Air Fryer. Looking for a unit that comes with plenty of accessories? Look no further, because this GoWISE USA GW44800-O will be your favorite gadget. Including 10 accessories in one purchase, it offers the full kit to ensure your rotisserie comes out predictably and amazingly. Besides, you can also make many delicious roasts, kebabs, or tenderloins with these tools. In case you are not in the mood for air-fried meals, there are various cooking functions to perform, like toasting, baking, and more. But regardless of the cooking method you want to apply, GoWISE USA offers a chef-inspired cookbook with 50 recipes, so you will never be out of air fryer ideas for appetizers, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Number 2. Ultrean 12.5 quart air fryer. Here is a solid air fryer from Ultrean that can rock your rotisserie dishes at a very economical price. Among many ideal air fryers that cost under $100, this is the best one to handle rotisserie. It allows you to use it as not only an air fryer but also convection and dehydrator. At 12.5 quart capacity, nothing can stop you from creating a flawless big batch of dishes for all members of your family. And the 60-minute timer will help you to monitor the cooking time properly. What's more, it provides the highest safeguard with the automatic shut-off and overheat protection system, so you will not end up with charred and unhealthy meals. Number 1. Instant Vortex Pro 10 quart air fryer. The Instant Vortex Pro is a small-sized convection oven air fryer packed with 9 preset options like a rotisserie, air fry, roast, bake, broil, proof, toast, reheat, and dehydrate. Besides making a perfect rotisserie, you can also create numerous air fryer desserts, thanks to its proofing function. It also comes with a similar version named Instant Vortex Plus with 7 functions at a lower price. The additional feature is its even crisp technology, ensuring your foods have the best golden color and crunchy texture without excess oil. With a simple touch on the device's one-touch display, you can select any function you like or manually set the timer and temperature in no time. And you do not even need to wait for it to preheat. That was our list of the top 5 best air fryer with rotisserie just for you.